Will these feel trail ready right out of the box? This is a simple and fast review of the NORTIV 8 wide toe hiking boots for men. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, try them on, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. Okay, so as we open up the box, get a good look up close at one of these. It's a great looking shoe. There's a little bit of sponginess to it there, which is great. It's not going to be just completely hard. I'm going to pull out comes with some stuff that'll make it seem harder. They always like to stuff this stuff up. Nice soft, as I noted there, soft cushion in the heel and in the front. But that's where I really wanted to show you is there's going to be some bend here, as you can tell. A really nice looking tread at the bottom on the sole, hook for getting it on. Now note, I'm going to show you up close. These are going to be loop throughs, not loop arounds. So sometimes, and NORTIV 8 usually doesn't do it. They usually do the loop through, but some other brands have kind of where it hooks around it and then can come undone, which can be a pain in the neck. So really nice feature there. So we'll go ahead and try these on and work them around and take it from there. All right, so these things are very comfortable. As noted, they've got the wide toe. I've shown you in two different styles. One is single knot, longer laces, double knot, shorter laces, but very comfortable. Most importantly, they're very easy to walk in. They feel good, and what more can you ask for, really, beyond that? So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.